Hi, guys. This is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing, and these are 1 minute home management tasks. Start the washing machine with the current laundry load. Set a timer for your next task. Water a houseplant. Write one item you're low on in your grocery list or the app or a notebook. Check the mail and toss anything unneeded immediately. Put meat in the fridge to defrost for dinner. Light a candle or open the windows for a reset. Respond to a quick text or email you've been avoiding. Schedule a reminder on your phone to clean something tomorrow. Say a quick prayer over your home and invite God's peace in. All right, guys, that's our list of 1 minute home management tasks that you can just do in 1 minute. And I think this little video only took 1 minute.